So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video we're doing like a vlog today. So I'm gonna take you with me to Home Goods. I need to get my nails done. What else? I need to go grocery shopping for a little bit of stuff. My house is a mess right now. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. That's what we're gonna do right now. So I want to show y'all a little bit of my living room, the decor that I have so far, and what I'm looking for. So when I go to Home Goods, so yeah, let me show you that right quick. I have my Monstera plant, and then I have this new console table that I had purchased. I didn't show y'all on any of my previous videos, but I purchased this one at Home Goods a few weeks ago, well, maybe about a month ago. So yeah, I got a few tabletop books, my Geo Crystal, my Geo shadow box art, a little vessel, my black vessel with the olive branches in it, y'all. High ghetto. I need to take that off, but I haven't. So I have Alexa right here. Just a tray of geodes, some coasters, another crystal that all this came from Home Goods, except for this right here I got from at home. So I was able to find this DECOR book the other day as well at Home Goods, and it was like 70 bucks, like $69. That was a good find. I never was able to find another lamp like this one. I do want to take some of this stuff off because I want it to be more minimalistic as well. I haven't found any wall art. These two shadow boxes aren't going to stay here because as soon as I can find the right wall art to put up there, that's going to go up there if I don't decide to put a huge mirror. Right here I have this ladder just to throw throws on. I'm missing one. And then I have my fall decor right here, which I found a white pumpkin, which is real, and the ceramic pumpkins, fall candle. Geesh, why I couldn't think of that. The two little wheat bundles. I also found these pumpkins right here. This needs to be dusted, y'all. And this one right here, we still need to do something with the wiring right here. We actually just threw this up here just to turn the TV on, and we just never went back to go and fix it. I want to get rid of these blinds right here, so I'm probably going to do some sort of tint. I don't know exactly which one. I seen it Home Depot. They had like a whole bunch of different stylings of it. This pampas grass is just here. I really don't care for it to be right here. I really want something else to go in this space. I'm not sure yet. I have my cartons. So I want to hem these up because I really don't like how it touches the floor. And these are from IKEA. And I think they're called the Merit drapes. But I don't like how that's on the floor. So I'm going to hem those up, and so that they'll look like this right here. So they'll just kiss the floor, not be on the floor. So I have this Uva stock still in the corner here. Not sure if I'm gonna keep that here as well. I do wanna find a bar cart. I just have this up here for now. This is not leveled at all, but yeah, I wanna find a bar cart to go right here. I'm still looking for something to go along right here. I do want to incorporate some more black into my pillow arrangement here. Not satisfied. This is old. This is an old frumpy. I just wanted to see what the colors look like with it, but I did find a black pillow at Home Goods the other day. Right here. They didn't have a match to it, and I have found for this space is this rug. Oh my God, I love this rug. So it incorporates all of the colors that I have so far in my home. It actually has a little bit blue in it, but it's also black in there. And I love that they have the terracotta color and the browns to match my wood floors. Well, it's laminate wood, but yeah, so then I have the coffee table that we built. I love the texture in this coffee table. I don't know if you could get a good, you see the sheen on it. Yes, I really like it. So I also found the other day that this huge, my nails look a mess. This huge tray, brass tray. I want to say it was $49.99 from Home Goods. But yes, and I just put this little faux plant on it just to give it some more color in here because it's a lot of gray and neutral colors in here. I just needed to have some pops of color besides just the olive branches and stuff. But yeah, this is all that I have right now for this space. I can't wait to move on to the next space. I can show y'all a little bit. So I'm here right now at the nail spa, and I have to make I had to make an appointment, and they can't take me until 4:30. So I'm gonna go grab something to eat, and probably, I don't know, I might be able to swing by Home Goods and just go take a peek in there and see what they have, and then I'll come back here to get my nails done. But yeah, that's where we're at in this journey today. So I'm here at oh gosh, I'm here at Home Goods, and I just want to reiterate to myself, I want to go in there looking strictly for artwork and see what they have. Oh Lord, I hope I don't buy anything that I really don't need. Okay, so yeah, that's going. Oh, these masks are annoying. I can't wait till this is all over with. All right. So y'all, I had to cancel my nail appointment because I was like 10 minutes late, and I was like, I didn't want to rush. So, and I didn't want them to rush doing my nails because it was so late if they had another appointment. So I just called them and rescheduled, but I was still hungry. So I decided to stop at Wendy's before I run into HEB, because that's where I'm at now. I'm in the parking lot. People look at me like I'm crazy. But I'm going into HEB just to go grab a couple of things to eat on during the week. I didn't want to go in there hungry, because when I do that, I end up spending $200, and then I end up throwing away half the shit that I do buy. Excuse my French. So I'm gonna sit here and eat these fries, get my life, and and then I'll go into HEB and go grab some things. So for now, that's what we're doing. And my nail appointment is for tomorrow at 1 o'clock. So I'll be doing that tomorrow. All right. Well, see you when I'm done doing this. So, all right. So I just want to go ahead and show you the things that I picked up at my local grocery store at HEB. 3 pasta salad, some kale, cranberry, pepperilla salad, chicken cob salad, goat cheese. So I got the garlic and herb goat cheese, some coffee, breakfast blend, Starbucks coffee, pumpkin whipped topping, and I picked up the natural bliss. I usually get vanilla. I just picked up some seasoning blend. I plan on making a roast pretty soon. Just throw some pico de gallo salsas. And this is in a medium. And this is the mango one, and it's also a little bitty miniature size. These are red grapefruit. These are so sweet and good for a snack. Hawaiian rolls, because I did grab a Italian and herb. I have a lizard, a bearded dragon, and this is what she eats. So I got this for her, as well as bell pepper and yellow squash. Yellow squash. So this is for her. Julio's corn tortilla chips in the flavor freaking hot. I love spicy food, so I just grabbed these. It has caution on it. And then I got some kettle corn jalapeno chips. I got a rose. And like I said, I'm a big snacker, and these are the cheese mix. Let's look at the macros on that. Ooh. This is 130 calories, 23 grams of carbs, so 22 grams of carbs, take away the fiber, and 4 total sugar included, 4 additional parts of sugar. Y'all, I'll be nibbling off of these for like a month. Let's see, and I also found the makeup remover. So this is gently removes makeup and deeply cleanses pores. It has 2 sides to it. It has a soft side and a exfoliant side. And I think these are like $4.50 for 1 cloth. But I've been looking for this because I found some makeup removers from TJ Maxx, and they were breaking my face out, so I have to stop using those. And I just wanted something that I could just, put some cleanser on and then wipe off with just water. So I hope this helps me out here. And then another thing I bought was back to food. I love these cucumbers. I love eating them with a buttermilk ranch dressing, just like a pickle. But this is another healthy snack that I like to snack on. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. Bright light. It's the next day, and I'm just waking up. I brush my teeth and everything. But my husband told me last night to go ahead and get the painting. So I don't know if it's still at Home Goods, but they opened up at 10 o'clock. So that's where we're gonna go run up there and see if they still have it. So yeah, and this video will continue. So let's see if it's there. Okay.